Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today we'll be discussing the mounts for the transmission and transfer case. As you can see, we've got our cross member. They're already mounted, but let's show you how they work. On the transfer case mount, it's a two-piece mount. The bolt goes from below, goes through the eyelet on the transfer case. You run the bolt through, seat the mount, and then you'll tighten this once you have the transfer case in place. Next, you'll see the rear transmission mount. This has two studs that go through this cross member, and then two studs that go through the transmission. But before you put the transmission on, you have a stepped plate that goes at the bottom of your transmission. Here you can see that now and how to orient it. You'll see that it's also stepped. This is because the bottom of the transmission has a step to it as well. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.